Looking for the perfect dash cam with cabin coverage? Today we're ranking 5 of the best options to help you capture every angle on the road. Stick around to see which one comes out on top. Let's kick things off with the TUIFA CGT820, which comes in 5th place on our list. This dash cam offers a sleek design with solid 4K front resolution and a cabin-facing camera. It's a simple, no-frills choice for drivers who just want basic dual coverage without too many bells and whistles. The front video quality is sharp, and the built-in GPS lets you track routes and speed. The dual Wi-Fi makes it easy to transfer files to your phone. It's a straightforward setup, but when you compare it to more advanced competitors with 4-channel coverage and better night vision, it starts to show its limitations. One downside is that it only supports 2 channels, front and cabin, so there's no rear coverage. On top of that, the specs for parking mode and storage capacity are a bit unclear. Overall, it lacks some key features that would make it more competitive. If you're on a tight budget and just want simple front and cabin recording, this one could work for you, but if you're looking for more advanced protection, stick around. The next cameras offer way more for your money. And don't forget, I've linked all the products from this video at the best prices in the description below. Alright. In 4th place, we have the Botslab G980H. This is a strong option for anyone who wants crystal clear 4K footage from the front and smooth 1080p video in the rear. It's well built and uses a high quality Sony sensor, which gives it great performance in most lighting conditions. You also get built-in GPS, dual band Wi-Fi, and even Bluetooth, which makes transferring videos super easy. The supercapacitor design means this camera is better suited for extreme heat, which is a big plus if you live in a hotter climate. However, it doesn't include a cabin-facing camera, so rideshare drivers or those needing full interior coverage might want to look elsewhere. The advanced driver assist features can be a bit inconsistent, and while the rear cam does the job, its performance in low light isn't great. Also, the parking mode requires an extra kit. Compared to others in this ranking, it just doesn't offer the full coverage that some drivers might need. If front and rear coverage is all you're after, and you want top-notch image quality, this is a great choice. And if you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one. Next up, in 3rd place, is the Anyski M5. This 3-channel dash cam strikes a nice balance between quality and price, delivering crisp 4K or 2.5K footage up front, and decent 1080p video for the cabin and rear. With infrared night vision for the interior camera, this is an excellent choice for rideshare drivers or anyone concerned about what's happening inside the vehicle after dark. Dual band Wi-Fi makes it quick to transfer files, and the price is one of the most affordable in this roundup, making it an appealing budget-friendly option. That said, build quality can be hit or miss, with some users reporting power connection issues and the occasional software bug. The parking mode also requires an extra hardwire kit, which adds to the total cost. If you're looking for solid 3-channel coverage without breaking the bank, this one is worth a look. But for those wanting full 4-channel protection, we've got 2 even better options coming up. In 2nd place, we have the ZMOPO D435, one of the most complete options on this list when it comes to coverage. You're getting 4 channels of 1080p video, giving you true 360-degree protection. Great for both everyday drivers and rideshare professionals. The camera includes dual-band Wi-Fi for fast downloads and comes with a fast 128GB card right out of the box, so you won't need to upgrade your storage immediately. Infrared night vision and WDR help boost low-light performance, making it a reliable choice for night driving. It does have a couple of small drawbacks. The GPS module is optional, and parking mode requires a separate hardwire kit. The small 2-inch display isn't the easiest to view either, but the 360-degree coverage really makes up for it. If you want complete affordable protection with minimal hassle, this is an excellent choice. But for those who want the absolute best, let's move on to our number 1 pick. Taking the top spot today is the Pruveeo D90. In my opinion, this is hands down the most well-rounded dash cam in this lineup, offering sharp 1080p video across all 4 channels, including front, rear, side, and cabin views. What really sets this one apart is the balance of features: built-in GPS, solid infrared night vision, a larger 3-inch display, and a robust supercapacitor for improved durability in extreme conditions. You get true 360-degree coverage with great clarity day or night, and the included 128GB card means you're ready to go right out of the box. It does take up a bit more windshield space compared to smaller models, and you'll still need a separate kit if you want parking mode. But these are small trade-offs for everything else you're getting. If you want the best all-around dash cam with full coverage, this is the one I'd recommend. And remember, links to the best deals for all the products we've covered today are down below in the description. If you want to check out any of today's top products for yourself, be sure to click those links in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got more great reviews coming your way soon.